How to turn $0 into $100 a day without experience. Make money online for beginners. Yes, you heard correctly. You can find yourself in a position where you need to figure out how to make a guaranteed $100 each day for a variety of reasons. This video is for you if you're seeking strategies to raise your income in any manner, shape, or form, regardless of how urgently you want financial assistance. If you want to increase your wealth, the first thing you should do is either increase the amount of money you save or increase the amount of money you make, or even better, do both. So, welcome back to the channel, where today we'll be discussing how to fill your pocket with no experience required, or shall we say, as a fresher. So without any delay, let's get started. The list of ideas that I am going to tell you in the next few minutes will show you precisely how you can generate fast money in only one day to get your financial life back on track and get you back on track financially. Regardless of which one you choose, they all share a key characteristic in common. It's quite easy to get started with them. You may even do several of them while you're traveling or when you're attempting to pass the time in front of the television. That is to say, in many instances, you will essentially be engaging in your typical day-to-day activities, with the exception that you will be earning more income. And a few of them have such a high potential for earnings that there are people who have even used them as a replacement for their standard source of income. Who knows? Maybe you are also capable of doing the same thing. Fill out surveys. Completing surveys is one of the simplest methods to earn money, since you can do it from anywhere. Have some spare time on the way to work, while watching TV, or while waiting for the kids to finish football practice? Then you should surely use this time to look into a few survey sites in order to earn some money. One issue with taking surveys is that many of them take forever to pay you out for whatever money you make, so stick with the truly legitimate sites that provide this. Survey Junkie is our number one choice for survey sites. Why? Well, simply said, they are one of the most paid survey companies in the industry. You may actually make up to $150 per hour with them. They're well known for actually paying you to complete surveys with gift cards from companies like Amazon, Target, or even PayPal, which is essentially the same as receiving cash. This is a significant advantage over other survey sites that you get to sign up just to tell you that you don't qualify for anything, resulting in you receiving nothing. Get money back on your purchases. If you do any shopping and don't use any of the cashback apps available, you're wasting money. We often recommend Ibotta for this since they provide cashback at hundreds of in-store and online stores, including groceries you presumably already buy, at locations you already shop. And their free $20 welcome incentive is really wonderful as well, especially if you need $20 right away. More information may be found in our Ibotta review. In short, you can save literally thousands of dollars with them over time, not to mention how quickly you get your money compared to cutting coupons. Ibotta is a fully free app that provides you cash back on things you already buy, such as groceries, medication, and clothing. In fact, customers earn an average of $150 each year, not counting your free $20 welcome bonus, and over $682 million has been paid out, so you know Ibotta is authentic. Use referral benefits to your advantage. If you have two friends who you believe could be interested in making money by taking surveys, playing games, or getting cash back on their purchases, you can get paid as a bonus if they join up through your link. With that in mind, here's how to make $100 in a single day. Actually, minutes. In Swagbucks, you get a $5 initial bonus, plus $3 for each referral, plus 10% of your friends' earnings in perpetuity. Inbox Dollars is an app that allows you to make money by playing games, doing surveys, and other activities, and you get a $5 initial bonus, plus $1 for each referral, plus 30% of whatever your buddy earns. Ibotta offers a $20 welcome incentive, plus $5 for each referral. Rakuten's another excellent app for earning cash back on purchases. It offers a $10 introductory bonus, plus $25 for each referral. And the best thing is, it doesn't even take into account the lifetime incentives granted by Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. Once you make an account with any of these websites, your referral link will usually appear on your profile. All you have to do now is distribute the link to your friends and make sure they join up. However, this is arguably the simplest way to earn $100 every day on the list. Give your opinion. Joining paid focus groups often entails spending approximately an hour answering questions about a certain topic, which usually relates to a specific product or, on occasion, a political issue. This is usually done online, but it can also be done in person or over the phone. However, you may make a lot of money doing this in a short period of time. I already recommended Survey Junkie as one of the top survey sites available, but you can also get paid to participate in focus groups. Indeed, Survey Junkie will pay you up to $150 for a 1-hour session. All you have to do is answer some questions. When you join up with Survey Junkie, you'll be able to view everything they have to offer as soon as you establish your profile. While you have to answer a few pre-qualification questions in order to be chosen, if you're picked, it is some of the simplest money you will ever make. Here's a quick tip for you guys who have come to this part of the video. Given the popularity of Survey Junkie's focus groups, it's a good idea to opt in to be alerted of new ones through email so you can sign up as soon as they become available. Connect your computer. If you've ever wondered how to create passive money from home, this may be the most straightforward method. That is, you may install programs on your phone and computer that anonymously track how you use each device, and they spend a lot of money on something you won't even notice. Nielsen, for example, you may be familiar with from their TV ratings reporting, but the Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel app pays you $50 per year merely to operate it in the background. It gathers basic information about how you use your computer, or phone if you like, which as previously said, is fully anonymous and cannot be traced back to you. The app is also quite tiny, so it will have no effect on the performance of your smartphone. This implies that after only a few initial clicks, it's essentially free money. Create a blog. Why not consider beginning a blog if you believe you have something to say that others want to hear? It is really simple to begin blogging. Not to mention that to begin, I usually recommend Bluehost as a fantastic host for anyone building a new website. You also don't need any technical skills because their 24/7 help is fantastic. Believe me, I've had to use it. In fact, you could have your site up and running in about 20 minutes. But the greatest thing is that you can create your site with Bluehost for less than $3 per month. Plus, you receive a free domain name. Teach English online. Teaching English online may be a very profitable side job, paying up to $22 per hour, with all materials and other preparations done for you. At that pace, it's easy to see how to make $100 in a day. You only need a bachelor's degree in any discipline and some training experience. This can range from teaching or coaching to mentoring or leading a group such as a scout pack or church group. VIP Kid is especially well known for this. Similar to a Skype conversation, you'll be teaching English to students in China from the comfort of your own home. This means you only need to conduct a few lessons, making it simple to understand how you can earn $100 per day from your online teaching career with this method. You may even conduct lessons many times each week to further boost your revenue. Listen to music. Slice the Pie is the internet's largest paid review site. You get to assess songs and other items from unsigned artists, and your feedback is subsequently forwarded to the artist or record labels. So, in essence, you're being compensated to determine the future of music. Not bad. This is a particularly good method to supplement your income if, for example, you enjoy listening to music on your way to or from work. Not only will you get compensated, but you may also find the next great thing, or at the very least, a new favorite band. So, I think we're at the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. And if you have any questions or comments on your mind, let us know down below, and also make sure you check out our channel where you'll find more really cool stuff.